Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, that's not good. Oh, no. Okay. The heatsink came out. Hey guys, RedPandaMining here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day this video. I am just gonna be unboxing a bunch of new GPUs that I just got in. I actually got a new box in. There's two boxes here that you guys may remember a bit ago that I received from BitPro IT. So I recently just traded some more GPUs for the same GPUs, and it is the lustrous CMP 100-210 GPU that I have traded for. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a simple unboxing video here. I just want to check all the GPUs and just make sure that they are all okay. Okay, so this box here, all right, this one I believe has 16 CMP 100-210s. Okay, so I'm just gonna see the condition of all these GPUs. Nothing special in this video other than just unboxing GPUs. I will be turning all these on in another video, and well, these are actually gonna go all into the barn, as some of you guys may have been watching my vlogs recently over there. Okay, so first GPU, let's see the condition of this one. Oh, this looks to be pretty clean. Look at this. CMP 100-210, 16 gig HBM2 memory. It's got the, it's definitely rusted back here. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I just realized this doesn't come with the cable, or does it? Oh yeah, it does. In the anti-static bag here. Okay, so this is the EPS. Alright, EPS CPU plug. This is actually not a PCIe plug. So you can see the adapter that comes with it, okay? It's actually like a CPU 4-pin, or dual 4-pin that are put together into this, okay? So it goes like that, and then it goes into dual 8-pin PCIe, which is quite interesting. And I know the Veteran Miner actually has a kit for people that utilize these cards and don't want to utilize the adapter. Okay, so he has it on his website, which I'm going to be getting one in the next week or two, and I'm going to be testing out his 12 cable kit. It's specifically for an Octominer X12, and the Octominer specifically is going to be one of those PCSP server cases, Octominer X12s, that are like $200 right now with like the 478 gigabyte cards. So you guys know recently I just got 10 of those in, and I'm going to be placing these GPUs into those Octominers. Okay, there is a little bit of bend on this one, but let me unbox the next one. It's nice that these ones are in a box actually, because I can reuse this this box and packaging for like giveaways and such, which I've been doing a lot of. Okay, next CMP 100-210. Looks to be good. Yeah, a little bit dusty inside here. I mean, these are definitely used. And yeah, okay, yeah, a little bit of bend here on the I/O bracket, but that's no issue. Otherwise, this looks like there is looks like a decent scratch on the PCIe there. Yeah, should be fine. Okay, next. You know, so far, 3 out of 3. All of these have the pretty much new like attention sticker on here. So these haven't been opened, but I think they've just been repackaged by BitPro IT. Yeah, this one looks to be pretty good. Oh, this one is not bent. This one is perfectly straight. This one looks real clean actually. But there's a little bit of dirt or something over here. Doesn't seem too bad though. Okay, this is probably gonna be the last one I'm gonna unbox in this box, because I think all these ones that are in the boxes seem to be pretty good already. They're nice and heavy. Like that's the thing about these that I like. But yeah, this one's good. So in this box, I already unboxed 4 of them, and there are 4 for 12 left. So I have a total of 16 CMP 10210s in this box, and this was from the trade that I did for I think 24, 25 GPUs, my 6600 XTs, and also the RTX 2070s. So I think this was a solid trade. Let me know down below. But yeah, hopefully you guys remember that video that I did just packing those 25 GPUs, those gaming GPUs for these CMP. So if you guys want to do the same thing, and I don't know if BitPro IT has, you know, CMP 10210s left for trade, hit them up. Link down below if you guys want to inquire to them. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this box to the barn. I'm pretty sure all the ones in boxes seem to be just fine. I want to look at this box here. This one here is one that I got a couple weeks back from BitPro.it, and these ones, I think I got 24 of them. Okay, so, but they are, I don't think these ones are in boxes. So, and the shipper, UPS, or the people who handled it, right, it looks like it's a little bit, the boxes has been a little bit damaged and flattened. So I'm kind of worried that some of these could be damaged. Let's just see here. Oh, and okay, so there's some, look at this, respec. Okay, so this is their, I guess their eBay subsidiary. They sell these GPUs, or they did sell these GPUs on eBay. Okay, but they have a bunch of other crypto mining hardware on their eBay store as well. Comes with this Linux-based mining OSs. Nothing special to do here. Drivers should already be included in any recent distro and install automatically. Okay, so I think this is like to install the CMP 10210 driver. Okay, so they said to download it from Tech Power Up. I'm assuming this is for people who use Windows, obviously. I'm going to be using Hive OS, so this is not going to be for me, but it looks like they do have different IDs. Wow, there's different IDs for these CMP 10210s, because I know, yeah, there's actually two different CMP 210s with different BIOSes. So that's something to take note of. Okay, let's just see the condition of some of these. Okay, so it was packed like this. Okay, not too happy that there wasn't any padding around. I mean, they're all around the GPU. I mean, that should be enough, but I'm kind of worried about the back sides here. Yeah, there's no padding like on this side or on the top. I mean, there's a little bit, but let's see how this one looks. Okay, this one, yeah, has the same wrapping. Okay, with the anti-static bag. Let's take it out here. Okay, visually inspecting. Yeah, oh yeah, oh see, that's what I mean, right? This is what I mean about the packaging around the GPU, around the GPUs. There's a massive bend here on the I/O. Now, that should technically be fine, but it's a pain in the A trying to install this into an Octo server, or Octo miner. And yeah, this is, oh yeah, this is extremely bent. Yeah, take a look at that, take a look at that. So this, okay, I'm gonna need to get some pliers, but I just hope that it's not damaged. I do see the plastic here that's holding up the I/O bracket, but yeah, that's really bent. Ugh. Otherwise, the massive heatsink on it seems to be fine. This part here doesn't seem to be scratched up or damaged. Okay, let me check a few others. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna check like the bottom one. I might have some damage. And let's see here. Let's see this one. Okay, this one looks to be, oh yeah, a little bit of bend again on the I/O shield there. Just a little bit. You can probably tell right here. Maybe that's because they might have been in server cases, so they already like inherently already bent because they were taking them out. But yeah, this one looks to be fine. This one looks to be good. The back, yeah, with the EPS, the dual 8-pin is here. So this one looks to be okay. I probably would like it if these were unplugged, because yeah, in case, you know, this part gets snapped off in shipping for some reason somehow, that would suck, obviously. But this one looks to be fine. Okay. And this one got wrecked. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, I mean that's just the IO. I mean, I don't see any. I see a little bit of corner damage. Yeah, on this part here. Woo! I don't know if this one's gonna work. It probably will, but it's gonna suck to bend this back. Ugh. Okay, yeah, this one got majorly bent. Majorly bent. Yeah, that's why. You know what? That's probably why they put boxes around the CMPs, because they probably had a lot of people come back to them like, hey, a whole bunch of them got bent, and looks like mine got bent. Okay, let me check one more. I'm gonna check another bottom one. Let me check this one. And ooh, okay. Let's see what the IO looks like on this guy. Okay. Oh yeah, this one is also bent. Okay, yeah, this one is also bent from shipping. Okay, obviously BitPro IT wouldn't ship it like this, but I don't see. Yeah, it's touching the end a bit there, but I can kind of bend it with my hand. Visually, the slot looks fine. The GPU around looks fine. EPS connector looks fine. Yeah, this one's okay. All right, let me check one more bottom one, and then I'm gonna call it for this. Yeah, this one also feels bent. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh, that's not good. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Okay. The heatsink came out. Oh, that's not good. That is really not good. This one got extremely okay, I'm worried actually about all the bottom ones in this box. Okay. Ooh, if BitPro IT is watching this, I may have to get a couple more. May have to return these ones. But oh shit! I think I tried to bend it back, but I broke the. Well, it was already bent already. But it's like this plastic piece. These three that hold the screw here just snapped off. Oh, but the heatsink. Oh, that's not good. Okay, I'm worried about all the bottom ones. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one on the side. I'm gonna see if I can fix this, I don't know, in a live stream or something. Okay, I'm just gonna check one more bottom one, and let me see here. Man, are all the IOs on these things bent? That would suck. Let's see here. Okay, this one seems to be, now I'm thinking I should open all of these up. Oh, the IO on this one is perfect. This one is good. Okay, the one in the middles were fine, but the ones on the sides and a few of them on the sides and the top, looks like those are the ones that were mainly damaged. Okay, I'm gonna call it for this box here, and this box over here, I'm gonna assume I may have a lot of bent IO. So, you know what? Before I bring these all to the barn, what I'm gonna do, open them all up and see if I can fix them. The IO plates. If some of the heat sinks came off, just like, oh my god, just like this one, I'm gonna have to figure that out, and might be fine. Might be able to revive it somehow just by taking it out, re-thermal pasting it. But then, how is it sticking down? See, oh no, the screws. The screws on the back here popped off. Whew! All that force probably from shipping just popped it out. Ooh, that's dangerous. I should probably unscrew that. Oh, this one should come out too. Okay, yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it there. Ooh, oh, that was mind-blowing here. Alright, so I might have some dead CMP 10210s, but you know what, I'm gonna leave this for a live stream probably this weekend, and I'm just gonna unbox them and test each one on my test bench. And this will definitely be a long day affair, that's for sure. Okay, I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.